Shocking. William Bonac's impossible rise from underdog to bodybuilding monster that stunned the world. When fans talk about the biggest giants in bodybuilding, names with towering heights and massive frames often dominate the conversation. But one man shattered every expectation and proved that heart, determination, and relentless work ethic can overcome any obstacle. That man is William Bonac. His journey is not just inspiring, it is downright shocking. Born in Ghana and later moving to the Netherlands, William Bonac didn't have the advantages many top bodybuilders enjoyed. He wasn't the tallest athlete on stage. He wasn't the biggest when he first started. In fact, many critics believed he would never compete with bodybuilding's elite monsters. But they were completely wrong. As Bonac entered the bodybuilding scene, people quickly noticed something extraordinary. His muscle density was unlike anything fans had seen. Every body part looked carved from granite. His chest was thick, his arms looked explosive, and his legs appeared packed with muscle from every angle. While others relied on genetics alone, Bonac relied on an unstoppable work ethic. Day after day, year after year, he trained with a level of intensity that shocked everyone around him. While competitors rested, Bonac was pushing harder. While others complained, Bonac kept grinding. Every workout was another step toward proving doubters wrong. Then came the moment that changed everything. As Bonac climbed through the professional ranks, bodybuilding fans witnessed a transformation that seemed almost unbelievable. His physique became bigger, fuller, and more detailed with every competition. Judges began taking notice. Fans began talking. Competitors began worrying. Suddenly, the man many overlooked was standing shoulder to shoulder with the best bodybuilders in the world. The bodybuilding community was stunned. How could an athlete who lacked the towering structure of some rivals compete against giants weighing well over 300 pounds in the off-season? The answer was simple: quality. Bonac's muscle maturity, conditioning, and density created an illusion that made him appear far larger than he actually was. Every pose exposed deep muscle separations that many competitors struggled to achieve. Then came one of the most shocking chapters of his career. When Bonac stepped onto the prestigious Arnold Classic stage, many experts predicted other athletes would dominate the competition. Yet Bonac delivered a physique so complete and overwhelming that fans couldn't believe what they were seeing. He didn't just compete, he conquered. Winning the Arnold Classic sent shockwaves throughout the bodybuilding world. Suddenly, the underdog was no longer an underdog. He was now one of the most dangerous men in professional bodybuilding. The victory proved that size alone doesn't win championships. Conditioning wins, symmetry wins, determination wins. And William Bonac possessed all three. But perhaps the most surprising part of his story is his ability to keep fighting through adversity. Bodybuilding is one of the most brutal sports on earth. Injuries, fatigue, extreme dieting, and constant pressure can break even the strongest athletes. Many bodybuilders fade away after reaching the top. Not Bonac. Every time people counted him out, he returned stronger. Every time critics claimed his best days were behind him, he shocked the world with another incredible performance. Resilience became his trademark. Fans began calling him one of the hardest workers in bodybuilding because he never stopped chasing greatness. Even when younger athletes emerged and new stars captured headlines, Bonac remained a threat capable of upsetting anyone on competition day. His physique wasn't built overnight. It was built through thousands of workouts. Millions of pounds lifted, countless sacrifices, and years of relentless discipline. What makes Bonac truly special is that his story resonates with ordinary people. He wasn't handed success, he earned it. Every trophy, every title, and every standing ovation came from years of refusing to quit. Today, William Bonac stands as one of the most respected athletes in bodybuilding history. His legacy extends far beyond trophies and medals. He represents perseverance. He represents resilience. He represents the idea that limitations exist only in the minds of those who accept them. And that's why his story continues to inspire millions around the world. The next time you see William Bonac step onto a bodybuilding stage, remember this shocking truth. The athlete many once dismissed became one of the most feared competitors in the sport. The underdog became a champion. The doubters became believers, and the bodybuilding world witnessed one of the most incredible transformations ever seen. William Bonac's journey is proof that greatness doesn't belong to the biggest person in the room. It belongs to the person willing to work harder than everyone else. That is the shocking secret behind the rise of William Bonac, a man who turned impossible dreams into reality and forever etched his name into bodybuilding history.